Hi friends, let's have a look UI testing. So it also known as a GUI testing. So like it involves verifying that the application's UI components, layouts, functionality meets the requirement and work as expected. So here we can see testing the size, position, weight, height of the elements, also the section of the screen, and also we can see the spellings, alignment of the images, and image has good clarity or not, colors of the fonts, also size of images, proper alignment, and we can see the UI elements like button, text box, text area, checkbox, radio buttons, drop downs, links, and also we can see the color of the hyperlinks, and also we can see the disabled fields if there it's properly disabled or not, and we can see the interface is attractive or not. So these are the some points which we consider during the UI testing. Thank you.